Christmas, that magical time of year when calories mysteriously stop counting, and every family swears their recipe is the original one. Today we're jumping on a culinary sleigh ride through 7 countries to see what Christmas tastes like in the United States, Puerto Rico, Spain, France, Poland, Japan, and the Republic of Congo. So grab your fork, your Santa hat, and maybe some stretchy pants. This is Festive Flavors, Christmas around the world in 7 delicious plates. In the United States, Christmas dinner often looks like Thanksgiving's highly anticipated remix. You'll usually find ham or turkey as the star, surrounded by mashed potatoes, green beans, cranberry sauce, soft rolls, and more pies than there are relatives. Somewhere, an aunt is defending her mac and cheese recipe like it's a state secret, while eggnog quietly convinces people that, yes, they can sing Christmas carols. Fly down to Puerto Rico, and Christmas gets loud, colorful, and deliciously tropical. The king of the table is lechón asado, a whole roasted pig, crispy on the outside and juicy inside, usually served with arroz con gandules and pastels. To drink, there's coquito, a creamy coconut drink that is basically Puerto Rican eggnog, the kind of drink that whispers, "One more glass," and then suddenly you're salsa dancing with your uncle. In Spain, Christmas Eve, Nochebuena, is all about gathering late, talking loudly, and eating even louder. The table is full of seafood like shrimp, clams, and bacalao, salt cod prepared in comforting stews or baked dishes. Then comes the sweet temptation. Turon, an almond nougat that looks innocent but disappears so fast you start suspecting there as a Turon thief in the family. And it might be you. In France, Christmas dinner is basically a red carpet event for food. You might see oysters, foie gras, roasted meats, and of course a serious cheese board, all before dessert even arrives. Then the bûche de Noël appears, a rolled cake decorated like a wooden log, proving only the French can look at a piece of firewood and say, yes, that should be dessert. In Poland, Christmas Eve dinner, called Wigilia, is full of symbolism and tradition. The meal is usually meat-free, with dishes like borscht, a deep red beet soup, and pierogi stuffed with cabbage, mushrooms, or potatoes, plus many more. There are traditionally 12 dishes, one for each apostle, which also works as 12 excellent reasons to keep eating for spiritual purposes of course. In Japan, Christmas isn't a traditional religious holiday, but it does have a very unique menu, fried chicken. Thanks to a clever ad campaign in the 1970s, sharing a KFC Christmas bucket became a national tradition, and people pre-ordered their chicken weeks in advance. After the crispy feast, many enjoy a light strawberry sponge cake with whipped cream, proof that sometimes marketing can literally create a new tradition, and a very tasty one. In the Republic of Congo, Christmas blends faith, family, and food in a beautiful way. Many families share dishes like sakasaka, a rich stew made from cassava leaves, often cooked with palm oil, spices, fish, or meat, and served with rice or fufu, along with grilled fish and other local dishes. The best ingredient isn't in the pot, though. It's the atmosphere, music, singing, and that one cousin who turns every meal into a dance floor. From ham and turkey in the US, to lechón in Puerto Rico, seafood in Spain, elegant feasts in France, symbolic suppers in Poland, fried chicken in Japan, and hearty stews in the Republic of Congo. Christmas may look different on every plate, but the heart behind it feels the same. Whether your holiday table is covered in roast, rice, or fast food chicken buckets, may it also be filled with laughter, peace, and people you love. Merry Christmas and bon appétit!